start with our vegetables. 1 onion and 1 each capsicum, red, yellow, and green. Dice it small. In a pan, pour about 2 tablespoons olive oil in medium heat. When it's hot, put the onion and the capsicum. Saute them all together for about 2 minutes and increase the heat. Then add 500 grams chicken mince. We will add 1 teaspoon paprika and salt to taste. We will also add 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder and 2 cloves garlic minced. We will mix it all together to completely cook. We'll cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. We will mix it to be sure that the chicken is completely cooked. We'll turn off the heat and set aside. We will now proceed to making salsa. Half cup chopped onion and diced half cup tomato. We'll also add 1/4 cup chopped parsley. And then put half teaspoon chili powder, or you can add according to taste. Squeeze half lemon and salt to taste. Mix them well, and then we'll set them aside. Let's now make a guacamole sauce. In a blender, we will add 1 cup diced avocado, 2 tablespoons sour cream, squeeze half lemon, salt to taste. We will add 1 tablespoon olive oil and power the blender, and 2 tablespoons water. We will then pour it to an empty squeeze container. We will also be needing shredded lettuce and 12 pieces taco shells. So let's start assembling. We get the taco shell, add a small portion of shredded lettuce, more than 1 spoonful of minced chicken, and some salsa. Drizzle the guacamole sauce. Fill in all the taco shells the same way. There you go, our easy but delicious Mexican taco. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye!